Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing how to apply for an F1 student visa to study in the United States. This visa is necessary for anyone who wants to study in the US for an extended period of time, so it's important to understand the process. We'll be going over everything you need to know, step by step. Step 1. Acceptance to a US school. The first step to getting an F1 student visa is to be accepted into a school in the United States. You cannot apply for a student visa unless you have been accepted to a school. Once you have been accepted, the school will provide you with a Form I-20, which is a document that proves your acceptance and enrollment. Step 2. Pay the SEVIS fee. The next step is to pay the SEVIS fee. SEVIS stands for Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, and it's a program that tracks international students and exchange visitors. You can pay the fee online, and you will need to provide your SEVIS ID number, which can be found on your Form I-20. Step 3. Complete the DS-160 form. The DS-160 form is an online application for a non-immigrant visa. You'll need to complete this form in order to apply for your F1 student visa. The form will ask for basic information about yourself, your education, and your travel plans. Be sure to fill it out completely and accurately. Step 4. Schedule an interview. Once you've completed the DS-160 form, you'll need to schedule an interview at the US Embassy or Consulate in your home country. The interview is an opportunity for the embassy or consulate to assess your eligibility for a student visa. Be prepared to answer questions about your education, your travel plans, and your ties to your home country. Step 5. Attend your interview. On the day of your interview, make sure to arrive early and bring all of the necessary documents with you. This includes your Form I-20, your SEVIS fee receipt, your DS-160 confirmation page, your passport, and any other supporting documents that demonstrate your ties to your home country. During the interview, be polite and honest, and answer all questions to the best of your ability. Step 6. Wait for your visa. After your interview, you'll need to wait for your visa to be processed. This can take several weeks, so be patient. Once your visa is approved, you'll be able to travel to the United States and begin your studies. Congratulations! You've successfully applied for an F1 student visa to study in the United States. Remember to follow all of the rules and regulations of your visa, and enjoy your time studying in the US. Good luck! Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.